Okay. Hello. What is your name?
Andavumar,
How old are you?
47.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have children?
Yeah, two.
Two. Boys or girls?
Two girls.
Two girls. What is their age? Girls' age?
First one 12, second one 6.
6. That's nice. And I see you have a lot of experience as a driver.
Yeah, it's in Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. And now also you are on your own driving?
Yes, yes, Sri Lanka now.
A small car or big car?
Yeah, Saudi one and Taylor and 12 years, 6 years, 7 years. Iraq, KBR company, I work 2 years. Ban.
Ban, okay.
Also,
And here in Sri Lanka?
yeah, I also KBR working.
Okay, KDH. And now you want to go to Romania.
Yes.
Why?
I need money for work here. Now no more working. I need money for family. That's why I can work, live money.
And you want to drive for truck side?
Yeah.
Do you have any experience in the kitchen?
Kitchen, yeah, I have something. If I will finish, I will come to kitchen, cooking. I will.
Okay. Okay then, let's see. So what I would like you to do is to take this leaf and please slice it for me.
Small one?
Yes, and also the remaining part of this carrot.